Hi friends, in this video I would like to speak something related to how to become a certified COVID-19 volunteer. For this you just go to Android Play Store and download Diksha app. The spelling is Diksha. Diksha app is an Android app by School of Ministry of Education, Ministry of School Education, and in this we got a certificate, we got different courses, and it also include I got health courses. For this, just download this from Android application, and then we have to submit our mandatory details. Firstly, we have to register our name by using either our email ID or phone number. Okay, in this is a platform for school education, and we can download it from the Ministry of Education, Government of India app is this. Okay, after downloading, we'll direct it to another site. In this case I already registered, that's why my personal details is arrived here. Okay, after this personal details I'll show you how can we register in this site. Okay, this is the most important aspect is this is a site provided by Ministry of School Education, and this is a government trusted Android app, and this app contain study materials. These are the study materials available in connection with COVID in this app. Okay, when we go through this site, you can see that on the first page you can see that this kind of interface is there. In this, either you have to enter your email ID, you have to register here. The registration requires the following details. First one, your name, year of birth, and your mail ID. These are the required, and after that you have to create a password. Then you'll get an OTP to your mobile number you have registered, and after entering your OTP, you'll direct it to this, and after that you'll get this type of an interface. You just select the student face there, and here you have to enter the course is I got health, and the medium is either English, any medium you can select, and the class is NCC cadets is the class. And after submitting this you'll get the course, and after completing this entire course you'll get a certificate like this. This certificate is issued by Department of Personnel and Training. This is a special certificate issued for a NCC cadet, issued for an NCC cadet for his course completion. This is a COVID-19 for NCC cadet certificate. This type of a certificate you'll get, and which has a number, and anyone of you possess this type of a certificate can act as a certified COVID-19 volunteer. Thank you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Okay.